Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install GIMP for Windows for free. What is GIMP? GIMP is a free open source rasterized graphics editor used for image manipulation and image editing, freeform drawing and transcode between different image file formats and more specialized tasks. So using this you can make your image collage, image design, everything you can make it. Let me show you how to download for free and install in your laptop or desktop and have a fun access using GIMP. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open start menu and I just click here Microsoft Store. So Microsoft has Microsoft Store option. So this is a Microsoft Store. You can have a different kind of application you can download and have access. So on top you will find an option called search box. Just type GIMP. Once you type GIMP, app will be open here. So this is a GIMP app. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Windows, so you can have access, you can edit. This is for free for a competition of Photoshop. So this is a beautiful option. You can create a different kind of manipulation pictures, you can have access picture editing, everything will be free using Microsoft Store. So just click install option. Once you click install option, the download start. Yes, I have installed successfully GIMP software in my laptop, as you see here. So I can have access, I can edit the image, I can use what are the tools I want. If you want to know about GIMP software, please ping me in the comments so that I can teach you how to use GIMP software. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.